Hey guys, welcome back to Joseph Ozu. So in today's video, I'm showing you guys how to mine unlimited amounts of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency for free, guys, just from a single platform. I'll be showing you guys today in this video. But before I go into today's video, if you're new to this channel, I give you updates on how to earn cryptocurrency online, including airdrops, any sites, and the like, guys. So if you're part of this community, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and also subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos like this. Before I straight to the platform, I want guys to quickly come over to this navigation bar right here. Alright, search for the Shiba Inu token, guys, because we'll be making use of this address, guys. Okay, we're making use of this address. Alright, so we need the BEP20 address, guys. We do not need this the ERC20. We are going to make use of this BEP20, guys. So let's quickly copy out this address on this receive and copy out my address. Alright, now let me show you the platform I have for you guys. Alright guys, so the name of the platform I'm showing to you guys today is Shiba Inu miners.pro, guys. Shiba Inu miners.pro, and the link to join this platform will be in this video's description, guys. So as I said earlier on in this video, we'll be making use of the BEP20 address, guys. Can see right here, welcome to the Shiba miner, the SHIB BEP20, guys. So we'll be making use of this BEP20 address. As you can see right here, input your Shiba BEP20 address, you copy it from your trust wallet, guys. So now I input your password, and all you have to do now is just tap on this start mining, guys. Alright, so but since I have my account, just let me quickly log in straight into my account. Alright guys, so I'm quickly logged into my account right now, and if I scroll up a little bit, can see right here, I've currently be able to mine about 1000 Shiba Inu for free, guys. I'm able to earn about 1000 Shiba Inu for free. Alright, so I'll be taking by the step-by-step guide on how this platform works and how to earn unlimited amount of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency for free from this single platform, the Shiba miners.pro, guys. Okay, so this is a free platform. All you have to do is just input your address and it will automatically start mining for you, guys. Okay, so you can also make use of the investment plan, but that's optional, guys. It's optional. You mine for free, guys. Alright, so now if I scroll up a little bit now, you can see right here, firstly validate your email address, so you guys be able to access your account in case you forget your password. So and just click here to update your email, or better still, just come over to this account summary right here, guys. So just tap on this account summary right here and come over to this my account, guys. Okay, so you have to just input your email address right here and click on current password right here and save, guys. Okay, so that's just it, guys. And also you can refer your friends to earn more from this platform. Before I go into the investment plan on this platform, you also earn 20% referral commission, guys. 20% referral commission right here, guys. Okay, so to get your referral link, just come over to this account summary. Right here. Okay, and come over to this your referral, guys. You'll be able to get your referral link from this platform. Also, the minimum withdrawal from this platform is 20,000 Shiba Inu. So if I come over to this account summary right there, so you can see right here the minimum withdrawal is 20,000 Shiba Inu and the max is unlimited, guys. You can withdraw as many as possible, guys. So just input the 20,000 Shiba Inu you are able to mine from this platform. Input your wallet address, it's going to be automatically filled up there, and click on this confirm withdrawal, guys, and you're going to receive your earning within some few minutes, guys. Okay, because Shiba Inu payment is fast. Alright, so now you can see right here, I just registered an account. I registered an account on the 11th of October 2022, guys. Okay, and I'll be able to mine just 1000 Shiba Inu for free, guys. Okay, so there's also the investment plan, but it's optional, guys. So you invest about 80,000 Shiba Inu for on this plan right here, you'll be getting 100,000 Shiba Inu profit in a day, guys. Okay, so there's also the 10 million Shiba Inu plan right here. So if you invest it right here, you'll be getting 30 million Shiba Inu right there. But this is optional, guys. This is optional. You can just go for the free plan and earn and withdraw your earnings, guys. Okay, there's also the 20 million Shiba Inu plan right here, and be getting 80 million Shiba Inu for free, guys. Okay, so the plan just goes on like that. You can just check it out yourself. And this is the current plan, the free plan I'm currently using right here. So the miner speed is about 20 hash. Okay, and you'll be mining the free plan, you'll be mining 1 Shiba Inu per minute, guys. You'll be mining 1 Shiba Inu per minute, and you'll be mining 1500 Shiba Inu per day, guys. And the plan is going to last for just 9 days. Okay, it's going to last for just 9 days, guys. Okay, so after the 9 days and you'll be able to place your withdrawal, you can then decide to go for higher plan if you see that this platform is really paying and it suits your earning, guys. Okay, so that's just basically everything you need to know about this platform. It's free platform. The Shiba miners Pro is a free platform. You earn for free, guys. Okay, guys, if you're interested in the platform, the link to join the platform will be in this video description, guys. So if you find value from this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and also subscribe if you are yet to, guys. Okay, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos like this, guys. And I'll see you in the very next one, and peace out.